Over the years, man has had to deal with many challenges. Some of these challenges have been from other men. Some of these challenges have been from other countries. Some of these challenges have even been from outer space. But the biggest challenge for me right now is this bloody amplifier, Baya. It's doing my head in. Look at it. Right. Today's video is about me trying to find out what is wrong with this amplifier. It powers up. You plug speakers into it, it works for a bit, and then it starts to break down. So what we want to do is break this down into sections of what we can test and try and find out what is wrong with this amplifier. So join me in this mission. Forget Tom Cruise's Mission Impossible. Forget Rambo and forget all the action heroes and the challenges they faced. This is the uphill struggle of the Audiotronic LA 1700 amplifier that no one's ever heard of and we can't find a schematic for. Let's go! I'm going to have to take this off. So let's do that first. Stripped out of it, didn't I? Now the orange. Yeah. The problem, see, these wires are so old. I'm going to put my fan on, so that's what the background noise is going to be. I've got two fans, one that blows and one that sucks. Don't be filthy. And the police are about in their helicopter. Like bloody Beirut around here lately. It's a long one. And that's a long one. Right, so this now allows me get to the screws a bit. fan on. Here we are. So that's the first one out. So it's 2C789. Let's get my tester out. It's coming up as diode, look. Right, it's coming up as NPN today. HFE 36.6. Right, so it's NPN. So red's going on the base. Do it on my rubber mat down there. Five or 563. Seems alright that. Maybe I'm wrong. That's actually testing, alright? May as well put the new ones in while I'm here. Why is there no gasket on here then? You've got to be shorting out on that. Right, now I've got them loose, I'm going to put this back in. Do you know what? I'm going to do this differently. Is there a washer on that one? No? No. It says bits and bobs, isn't it? Oh, it is. It's just stuck to the nut. wish that chopper would do one eye. Get to the chopper! Terrible impression, I know, but there we are. Can't have everything, you know. Right. There's 4 and only 3 I see of them screws. So where's the 4th? There it is, gone through. Ah, hee hee. Right. Let's take them all out now. Be a bit easier now, it's bolted back in. Fan head. Here we are, all 4 out. Right. You see me changing this red one. Anyway, one thing at a time. So let's move this out of the way. Turn this off now. Let's move this out of the way a minute. Here's the heat sink. Oh, right. It's my bad. There are gaskets there, look. See? Any way you want it, that's the way you need it. Any way you want it, ooh. Right. Let's test these then. That's coming up as a diode. Now it's coming up as a MPN. Five or two. $559. Why was that so scatty? No, 742. I don't think this one's alright. See, why is it giving it? Let's test it the other way then. Open. Open. So it's alright there. Well, it's alright actually. Oh, it's just a bit scatty, isn't it? $557. $566. That's right. Switch it around. Open, open. That's alright. Well, this one's a bit different to the others. Different make, that's all. Five, 6, 2, 5, 6, 8. No, they're all alright. Sounds a bit out of whack compared to the others, so I'm going to change them. That's what I'm going to do. Right. Oh, wrong one. Yeah, they're breaking down, innit? Put some new ones on. Right. See the solder this back on now. What to do about this? Put a bit of heat tube on it, I think. Shrinking, you know what I mean. Here we are. Here we are. And then I think we'll do the same with the orange one. I'll snip this sleeve off. Sleeve. Oh, come on, you bugger. There we are. Snip that bit off, and then I'll put. Okay, another sleeve. I'll use a black one this time. And what I'll do is I'll cut it in half. Even a bit more, a bit less even. Just give it a little dab of room. Here we are. That's that back on. Lovely. So, that's in, they're in, but I've done a lot of reflowing. Right, so is that a leaking capacitor? So is these, so we got it voltage on the blue and the green. Is that blue and the green wires there going to these capacitors? And it's these capacitors that are the problem. Right, let's find out. I just want to spin this over now. And then these red and yellows go here. Orange and yellows go here. So either side of there. I wonder if it's these pair. Looks like we got to take them out, doesn't it? There we are. Finally. Right, so let's test him. Rush testing. Right, so 1000 microfarad. Sounds alright. Right. So let's test this one now. Oh, totally crazy. No, what's wrong with? It's fine. Right. Let's test this one. It's laborious, isn't it? Nope. Right, so we test this one. Oh, bugger. Right, try again. Oh, we did. What's the button on it? 470. Shut up. $645. There's nothing wrong with that one. This one's 220. They're getting smaller. Ooh, 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 ooh. It's the plus side. So this is the negative. Oh, come on, you bugger. Oh my god, like. Oh, I don't know. They're all fine. Where's that big boy go then? Big boy in the sense of it's physically big. It's not the biggest capacitor in terms of capacitance and voltage in any way, shape or form. But physically it's huge. Right, what's going on here then? Got all this then. Let's test the voltage on this capacitor before we go any further. Should have done that before I just jabbed my finger in it, you know, more. Would be more sensible, like. No, nothing in there. So that's disconnected from the circuit now. Let's test that. Can you see the multimeter? Yeah, I was going to say micrometer. I don't know why. $2,692. It's fine. My bloody god. There we are. Right, so that's back on. But that's the wrong one. This is wrong one. Oh, I tell you what. Looks like it's this one, boy. 220. And that's the negative, so that's the positive. Oh, bloody Nora, man. Oh, it's fine. Oh. All these are fine. I can't see anything wrong with these ones. Tested that one. after 48 year. So after I checked the larger capacitors, I then spent the next God knows how long taking some of the smaller capacitors out and testing them as well, and only to find there's nothing wrong with them either. So I took a couple of the smaller transistors and a few diodes out, and they all tested fine. So I thought, right, I'll go back now after everything's been put in and reflowed and so on, and check the DC offset. So what we'll do now is we'll pick it up at that point. Friggin' Nora, 6 volts there, like, it's dropping, but still. Same, yeah. B speakers are fine. I reckon I could run a bloody LED off them speaker terminals with it. See, look at that. I was right. That is never friggin' right. Back to the drum board. This will continue.